For over 50 years, Hughes have kept workers safe. Our company was born of innovation in site safety and has been at the forefront of emergency safety shower, eye face wash, and decontamination equipment design and manufacturing ever since. Through customer engagement and understanding, we deliver premium quality products and customized solutions to provide you with a safer working environment, greater protection against serious injury, and peace of mind that you're compliant with crucial safety standards. With our extensive manufacturing experience, we have established and maintained a global clientele, providing year-round protection for the hottest climates in the Arab Gulf states to the polar conditions of northern Canada and everything in between. Hughes products are built to order in-house at our manufacturing sites in the UK and Canada before being shipped worldwide. Our product range displays the breadth of our innovation over the years, providing you world firsts such as the emergency tank-fed safety shower and more recently the Hughes Zero Power Cooler, which tempers water inside a tank-fed shower in extreme heat without the need for any electrical supply. For remote areas and evolving sites, Hughes developed the OptiWash, an EN and ANSI-compliant self-contained gravity-fed eye wash station, which can be easily transported to the site of the hazard. Hughes products are built to suit the demands of the most challenging environments. Hughes' knowledge of various industries spans decades, having collaborated with all key sectors, including oil and gas, pharmaceuticals, manufacturing, water utilities, and many more. Our expert team are on hand to discuss your site's requirements and reach the perfect solution for you, either from our standard product range or an engineered solution. Don't hesitate. Contact Hughes today to discuss your site requirements with the safety equipment experts.